guess today's Halloween, and looks like there's a parade in Lakeview, Chicago. It's about, I think, 8. Quite late, so I wanted to take a walking tour video in this neighborhood. Oh yeah, there's definitely something's going on here. Oh, I don't know if I'm allowed to walk through this. Sure. Oh, there's a parade, huh? Cool. Oh, there's a guy not to meet this.
Lord, I just...
I don't know what you're gonna be yet. I know it'll be very popular.
Let's go here. Oh. I guess I can take some drink somewhere.
Linda Evans, but it's not Linda Evans, it's another.
I guess it hasn't started yet, I guess.
Wait for the beginning?
I guess it has not started really yet. Yeah, I might have to come back here later.
I'd rather stand and see. Okay, what they said.
Yeah, it looks like a Halloween parade is going to take place in a couple minutes.
She's gonna make you
So I can get that better view here from kind of here. Oh. Yeah, there's music that's playing, so I wonder if it's what time it's gonna happen, but
What hat? There's a hat?
it's closed, so. Yeah, I think I just go home now.
Like a few years ago, I
No, low key, it's not even gonna
I
be
guess I
bad.
can post this video with everything going on.
Yay. I got it.
You guys did so well. It's a little too Harry Potter.
I'm good. Thank you though.
I was like, my school was the first one to do Facebook, so it's like,
Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, there's trash. This is everyone waiting for. It's very cool. Oh, that's nice to have this thing to see. Halloween costume, Bibles.
Oh my god. Not sure how no, but I'm trying
to go home.
Family are out of town.
What is the word?
I think you said right, not wait.
I'm almost going home.
I got a 6 days.
I guess I can come back. Look at that.
I was wondering. Right? Okay, yes, that's what I thought.
It's gonna be
So we'll do it? Yeah, next time.
That's Trump. Like 20 people, I don't keep out here.
That way?
You would.
Excuse me. Just trying to go home.
Walk down here. Y'all ain't asked what happened to shit. Y'all said walk down here. I don't want to talk to you no more. Shut up, talk to me. Okay, well then. Up to my back. Let's go. We don't have no alcohol. We're not doing nothing. Okay, the parade's starting.
Oh, this is the parade?
It's like a secret little like.
I guess this is where the parade starts. So here.
If you are registered, please get out in the street. If you are registered already,
Wait,
get
get out
out in
here?
the street.
Sorry.
If you can exit this pathway, go to either side.
Oh, excuse me. I gotta go too much. Get the best view here. Check that out. Cool. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Oh, this is where it starts, huh? Trying to go home. There we go. I'm out. This is where it always starts, huh? Holy fuck. Jesus. Wow. It's all closed. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna shut it off and come back later. Crazy.
No matter how much Lexapro you take,
Just trying to go to Target. I just sit by some drink.
some of you are dressing the part.
Jesus.
Get a grip.
Oh my gosh. This is...
Fight. Fight.
Jesus Christ.
Stop.
Crazy. Oh, it's crazy, bro. I might come back later, but not right now. It's busy.